have another tiger lover. Loves the tiger. Not as much as Rooney does, but he keeps going back to the tiger. He's not tigering like Rooney, but he likes the little fluffy stuff. Guess he's watching that it's not taking over. Here goes the little boy. He's gonna go. Oh, no, he's not gonna go outside. He can go outside now. Oh my. Oh my. Maybe we should go outside and play outside like that. Bruno has your beat to going on the chair. What are they doing? They're wild? Yeah, lucky you who can get up there. Hey, this is my coffee. Don't spill my coffee, guys.